Make money with affiliate marketing now. If you're using a free traffic or you're using a paid traffic, one of the key thing for any affiliate marketer is to get more and more clicks in their affiliate link. Let me show you, right, what I'm talking about here. So here you can see, do you know how much about chakras, right? If the answer is no, check out this guide to root chakra for beginners. Okay, now this is how they hook the audience and make a clicks. For example, guys, one more offer here, right? Do you want to make your dreams reality? This is a question so that they can hook the audience, and this will ultimately, right, make the clicks here. So this is not a simple script. This you have to write on a way that persuade the people. Now let's say if you're running a paid ads, right, here you can see this is a long copy, long or short. If this is not persuading the people, guys, you are not going to get the clicks. Look at the images, and that's how, guys, people bring the clicks to here. Look at this in your Google Ads campaign or your Bing Ads campaigns. So here you can see grow your audience, engage with customer, boost online sales. All this ad copy, text, right, is very, very important. And if you don't know how to write in your ad, as well as in your free method, guys, you're not going to get the click. In this video, guys, I'm going to show you a tool which will do this work for you, which will make your affiliate marketing journey easy in 2022 and help you to make money with affiliate marketing. So if you're first time here, guys, do subscribe my channel and enable the notification. Watch the videos, guys, and do not forget to give the thumbs up to this video, because this will help you to get a lot of clicks if you're an affiliate marketing beginners. So now let me show you one of the product called, guys, Systeme.io, right? I already mentioned you about this tool. This will allow you to create a blog, landing pages, and you can add your domain. It's completely free for beginners. Okay, this program also have the affiliate program, guys. Here you can see become a affiliate. If you can click here, guys, and you can register this program and you can start making the money. You can promote this thing with free traffic as well as in the paid traffic, but you have to write the script like this, okay, so that people should click in your ad. Okay, this is the key things for you. So now let me show you one of the tool which will do the work for you. This tool is called, guys, Copy.ai, which is a copywriting tool, guys, and this is free also. I'm going to show you two tools. Please watch the video till the end, guys, so that you can understand this properly. Okay, if you're looking for sales, the click is very, very important, and you will get 10 credit per month. Now another tool is called, guys, WriteSonic. This is also a free, and you will get 10 credit. That means 10 copy you can create for your promotional. And later in this video, I'm going to show you how to get more free credit for you. Okay, 100 plus. So sign up here, guys, in the top right. Once if you sign up, this will be your dashboard. So here, guys, click new project and name your project, for example, like test. Okay, and just select right new project. So now here you can see this, guys, all of the tools, right, which you can use. For example, guys, you can use this artificial intelligence to write the articles, long form articles, Facebook ads. If you want to create a Facebook ad, you can write the copy from here, product descriptions, article ideas, guys. And if you want to create a landing page, you can create a landing page here, Google Ads copy. And also you can use these formulas like attention, interest, desire, action, which is just a common formula for writing the copies, e-commerce, emails, LinkedIn, SEO, YouTube descriptions to YouTube ideas. Everything you can create from here itself. So right now, guys, let's say we have to create a landing page, right? So you have to click here. So now here in the top, guys, untitled, just name test one. Now this is the place, right? You have to mention the product name. For example, guys, let's say we are promoting this Systeme.io, right? Once if you become the affiliate, any product, you can promote ClickBank product, guys. You can create MaxWeb, CPA, anything, right? Copy is important everywhere, right? So just we will write a Systeme.io here, and then, guys, you have to insert some description about the product. What exactly is this product is all about? For example, the easiest and fastest way to grow your online business. So now, guys, you can use this one also. Let me show you how you can use this, right? For example, like this, Systeme.io is the easiest and fastest way to grow your online business. System.io has all the tools you need to grow your online business. You have to write the benefit. For example, guys, it's a best alternative of ClickFunnels. So you can write like save at least $320 per month. Okay. And then in the benefit too, you can write, guys, best ClickFunnel alternative out there, like free forevers. Okay, free forever to build your 7-figure. Okay, so now once if you insert all this small information, guys, now this tool, right, Sonic, will go and do their research through artificial intelligence, and they will create a landing page idea for you. Right here in the bottom, click generate the landing page. Now look at here, guys, right, they have created 3 copy for you so that you can use. Right, look at this: automate your marketing with System.io. Okay, so now look at the headline they have created for you. Look at the sub-headline: System.io gives you all the tools you need to grow your online business, automating the most time-consuming tasks so you can focus on what matter most. Get your free trial. Now what happened, guys, this tool went and they did the research in the internet, guys, and they found everything about this tool, and that's how they wrote this copy. Right, look at this: get your whole team on the same page to grow your online business. Whether you're looking for CRM, marketing automation, e-commerce, social media tool, this all, guys, I have not mentioned them, but they researched and they created a landing page for you. This tool will create a 3 copy for you. Look at this in the top one of, if you click in the number 2, right, System.io makes it easy to grow online business. Any of this, right, you can use in your landing page. Okay, it will give you 3 options so that you can test in your paid traffic or free traffic, right, whatever however you're promoting. Okay, click here number 3, you can see get found but more customer faster. The AI will do the research and they will create an idea for you. So let me create one more for you. So here itself you can select, right, for example, you want to run a Google ads on it. So here you have to insert the product name, description. So here I wrote, right, System.io. System.io is the easiest and fastest way, and what the search term: best click funnel alternative out there. Just click here, generate Google ad. Now here, guys, here you can see it generated 3 copy for me, right, many copies, by the way. Right here you can see best click funnel alternative. System.io has all the tools, easiest and fastest way to grow your business. And if you can see these guys, they use all the power words, and they have created very attractive, like get response. Okay, look at this: grow your audience, engage with customer, boost your online sales. Okay, this is the reason, guys. If you're not getting clicks in your paid ads, that because of the text which you are using. So this tool will solve your problem, and you can copy also. Look at this: you can save, you can copy to clipboard, and you can use in your ad. Right, System.io, easiest and fastest way to grow your business, best click funnel alternative. Okay, so like this, guys, this tool will help you to create many copies. Now, guys, if you're looking for more free credits, right, just click here, right, Sonic, and here you can see I already used my 6 credit, only now 4 credit left. So now if you want to earn more credit, then you have to click here, right, earn free credit. Now here you can see Capterra, G2 Crowd. These are the platform, guys, where people write a review about this particular software. They want us to use this software and write a free review. If you write a free review, they will give you 25 credit. Okay, if you just click here, fill your name, email ID, and all these details, and step by step you have to complete this. Once if you complete, they will give you, guys, almost like 25 credit. Whenever you write more credit reviews, you will get like 100 credit from it. With this, guys, you can create many ad copies using in your free traffic and paid traffic and get more and more clicks that will drive more and more affiliate sales for you and help you to make money with affiliate marketing. If you really like this tool and the video, guys, give the thumbs up to this video and let me know if you have any questions in the comment. And before you go, guys, just I will ask you to watch this video playlist, which will give you many different free traffic methods which you can use along with this tool to create your script and copy and get more and more clicks and sales. And do not forget to subscribe the channel.